Oh, hi guys. Monday is going to eat because it's Kuya's birthday. Uy, of the dragon now. How are you, Mandy? Oh, happy birthday. Where are we going to eat, Mama? Where? Here, backward. Mandy, hold it. Hold. Hi, happy Mother's Day. Happy birthday, happy Mother's Day. Happy vlogging day, Mandy. Ito po si Mandy Paddy, tulog na guys. Napagod. So mamaya ulit siya mag-vlog. Pagod siya. Mandy, tulog ka muna.
Hindi.
Mamaya na siya guys. Hi guys, so gising na po ngayon si Mandy. Hi Mandy, Paddy. Are you in the mood? Are you in the mood now? Mandy, Paddy? She's still not in the mood guys, so maybe later. So nag-drive pa rin kami pauwi. Mandy?
She is half day on the road.
Pakita natin ng Waze. Medyo naligaw lang konti pero pupunta na kami guys dito sa vlog ni Mandy Paddy. Hello, I just woke up. And happy Mother's Day nga pala sa inyo guys lahat. Pakaingatan natin ng ating mga nanay at asawa na nanay kagaya na to. Kahit mga dragon, right Mandy? Or lion, tiger, whatever. Bye guys.